And next up, security. The thing is, right now, there is no real good way to lock this back door. Okay? Anybody can grab this, pull it up, and open it right up. We're going to change that. Okay, so as you can see, this arm goes down to this piece of metal and just pretty much lays right there. And then the whole thing comes up. When this comes up, you can see the mechanism right here moving. Could use some oil, I guess. Yeah. But you can see the whole thing moving in and out. And that is what locks the door. But there's no way to prevent somebody, at this point, there's no way to prevent somebody from outside just to grab the handle, twist it, and open the door. Okay, I have a very high-tech solution for this. We're going to use a state-of-the-art, modern locking device. Okay. Now that we have all this drilled out, so that, as you can see by the drill bit, everything is lined up. This hole goes all the way through this piece of metal and the handle. Now, for our high-tech door lock. Done. You are not going to lift that from outside. Okay, now let's just say this bus is parked somewhere and the owners are not around, and I want to get in there and see what all I can steal, because I'm a burglar. Anyway, imagine I'm trying to get into this bus. All right. You can't lock a bus up, so this will be easy. As you can see, that was just a dramatization. I'm not really a burglar. But you cannot get in this bus through here. You will ring this little bitty bolt. Let me show you. Okay, right on the side of this, it actually holds this handle from spinning, is that little bitty bolt. You will break that bolt off before you will twist this and move that handle inside. So, this bus is effectively locked on the back door. Cannot get in there. Of course. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. There's the sticker collection. It's coming along. Okay, here we are. It got dark, and I decided I'm going to do a little comparison. Of course, the headlights on Buster are exactly the same as the ones that were on the bus, Zephyr. So, what I'm doing, you can see the reflection in my glasses, actually. But, what I'm doing, I've got the van and the bus side by side, and doing a little comparison. Yeah, there we go. Doing a little comparison between the two. And let me turn you around here and show you what I'm doing. All right, here we go. The bus over here. And of course, old Buster over here. They are both on high beams. Okay, let's see what it looks like from the driver's seat. Okay, so we are going to try this out. Emergency brake was on. Okay, we're on low beam right now, and it looks entirely too bright. May end up having to do something about that. I don't want to be bright lighting people, but as you can see, you can't see. Never mind. It does light up very well. We'll just put it that way. So, in conclusion, these lights work really well. And I think I want to get some for Buster too. Let me turn you around here. Yeah, that's pretty bright. Okay. I guess that's going to be about it for this little video. I just wanted to try my headlights out. And tends to work better at night when you want to try headlights out. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.